I'm feeling so marketable today. I'm feeling sexy in a commercial kind of way. I'm feeling pretty on the outside. Guess I'm on my way.
Hey. Over here. Yes, you. There's no one else around, silly. You are really stunning. Before you went any further, I just had to stop you and say that. And girl, your hair is fly. You're beautiful on the outside. There's also something about your spirit that shines. Thank you. Thank you. If you just go around giving random compliments to people, well, I know what you're thinking. Because I am you. And I just thought you needed a boost of confidence. That's a little weird. You know this is a wig, right? Of course I do. But when I told you you were stunning, I was talking about you and not your hair. You need to compliment us more. Can you give it a try and tell me nice things about us? You are beautiful just the way God made you. Whether you have on a wig or makeup or the latest fashions, that's not what makes you beautiful. It's what's on the inside that makes you beautiful. If you're watching this, I'm talking to you. You are a masterpiece. God literally broke the mold when He made you. How did I do? Are you talking to me? Yes, I'm talking to you. Just checking. Okay, fair point. How did I do? Stunning. And that really is a beautiful wig. Welcome back to Getting in Character. My name is Diamandi and I'm excited to review another textured wig today. Well, this is probably the first one you're seeing that I'm doing, but there will be others. Don't worry, I have a stash. Okay, today we're doing Miss True Diva. I was excited about True Diva because it seemed like a more textured version of Free Tresses Hania, and that is still pretty much my favorite wig next to Jode from the Janet collection. Jode doesn't really fit my head that well because I have a big head and it's a little bit of a smaller cap, so that's why I prefer Hania, and I'll probably grab it first before I'll grab Jode, but I was really excited about this because it was so close to something I love so much. Anyway, so let's go through the specs. True Diva is a textured lace wig from Sensational's Curls Kinks Co collection, and I love every one of those styles, and the only reason I choose some over others is I like a side part. So if I get a middle part, I'm going to turn it to the side, and I hate the way, typically, I hate the way wigs look when they're turned to the side, so when I see a side part, I jump on it. The texture of this unit is supposed to mimic a natural hair blowout or roller set, matching curl types 3B to 4C. And this really feels just like my hair does when I do a blowout. I guess I would do a light blowout and then I would barrel curl my hair on very low heat and kind of pin curl it and set it.
and it would be this nice soft texture. Oh, it feels so good.
It has a deep curved part.
This is the cap inside. So it has the lace at the top and the part. 2 combs in the front, can you see? And then 1 comb in the back.
With baby hair, I don't know where the baby hair was. I'm not saying there's not baby hair, I'm just saying I didn't see it. It's heat safe from 350 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. It has ear-to-ear soft lace.
Look how light the lace is, because y'all know I'm real light skinned. Plus, my scalp is about 10 shades lighter than my face.
And natural look and feel.
The hair is so soft. I'm so excited. I had another one, Jode. Who makes Jode? Oh, Jode from the Janet collection. Love the texture. It feels like a Brillo pad. I mean, it feels like really, really coarse hair that's dry.
Y'all, it says it can be styled as an updo. I'd like for you to look at this unit and please tell me how you're gonna style it in an updo. I'm just curious, just wondering. This is the T2613.
That color's so pretty. So it has dark roots that are a 2 and the rest is a 613, which is like a really light blonde.
It also comes in natural colors plus some fun colors like a T227, a T230, and a T2BG. I went through it a little bit with this unit. Part of it is because I got such a different color. I wanted to try something different because it's so easy to find, you know, like a 1 or 2 on YouTube, but it's really hard to see what the colors look like, and the websites and the manufacturer, in my opinion, do a bad job of showing the colors because the swatches, they don't show you how the color falls in the wig. It just shows you what colors are in the wig. And to me, that's not very helpful. So I took one for the team on this one. Plus, I really wanted to try the 613. When I first put it on, I had to wiggle it a little bit, move the straps in the back, and I ended up being okay with a wig cap. The first time I tried it with a wig cap, and the second time when I was filming the video, I actually did no wig cap at all. We've come a long way. And it would have been better had I used a little dab of like the Got2b glued or the freeze spray, but I'm averse to sticky stuff on my edges, and then I've heard that it's hard to clean it out of the lace. I just didn't want to deal with it, so I did not use any spray.
Okay, let's put some powder in the part and then we'll be all done. I'm using the Fit Me powder in the number 110 because my scalp is really light.
I'm gonna throw the unit on right now. I just want you to tell me, are you gonna put this in an updo? I even tried, I was like, okay, well maybe if you gather it in the back. Listen y'all, you can't put this in an updo, it's too short. It doesn't even hit my shoulders. Silly. It's a great unit though. In the future, I love it so much, I could see myself reordering it in a number 4 or a number 2 if it doesn't come in a 4, because realistically, it's gonna be really hard for me to wear this color on a production because it's unnatural, if you know what I mean. I think there's some hair stuck under the hairline. Okay, and then I'm gonna come in close so that you can see the hairline. Yeah, I would definitely, if I was on camera, need to tack that down. This side I actually colored with some dark eyeshadow to conceal the lace on that side. But yeah, here she is. What do you guys think of her? The model on the stock card had a swoopy thing going on, and I would love to give her a little curl right here so she could have a swoopy swoop. I just could not find the curling iron. She's really cute, I think. What do y'all think about her? Hey. Okay, let's show you the sides and the back. All right, here's the skinny. No shedding, no tangling, and if you have a big head, you can make it work. However, it is a tight fit. I'm making it work now though. No wig cap, just a wig grip and no glue or spray, so it is possible. If I was gonna be on set though, or if I was actually leaving the house in it, I'd probably secure it with something, a couple hairpins or something, maybe even some spray along the lace in the front.
That looks a lot better. I think taking a blow dryer to the top may also help a little bit.